Hi and good morning everyone. Today we will present about the purification of water. We are from group 7. My name is Tan Wei Sing and my metric number is 211579. And these are my group members. Now I will introduce about the discovery of purification of water. So who is the first person that obtained the first patent for a water filter? It is Joseph Ami. And his design incorporated wool, sponge, and charcoal layers to help purify the drinking water. So, what is the oldest water treatment method? Distillation is one of the methods which is the oldest of the water treatment and it is still in use today, but it is not commonly as a home treatment method. But it can effectively remove many contaminants from drinking water, including bacteria, inorganic, and many organic compounds. So, why water filtration is an essential part of the water treatment process? Because it can make water safe for drinking. The earliest form of water filter can be traced back some 4,000 years ago. During this time, people believed if the water looked clear, it was safe for drinking. But it is wrong. However, this tended to result in various forms of illnesses and diseases. To overcome this risk, people started boiling water before drinking it. So why we need to purify the water? Water purification not only can help in remove harmful contaminants, but also improve the taste, smell, and visual appearance of your drinking water. It reduces the amount of chlorine, soil residue, and organic and inorganic substance.
There are three types of impurities in water, which are physical, chemical, and biological impurities. Physical impurities are mainly caused by soil erosion, including soil particles and some physical contaminants. These impurities can be separated by filtration. Chemical impurities contain some harmful chemicals such as nitrogen, bleach, salts, pesticides, metal, toxin produced by bacteria, mercury, and fluoride. Some chemicals are from the waste dumped by industry. The biological impurities are caused by the presence of living organisms such as algae, protozoa, pathogen, bacteria, viruses, and parasites along their seas in water. It may lead to further waterborne disease and health disorder. So next, I will talk about the disease caused by unpurified water. The common diseases are diarrhea, cholera, guinea worm disease, dysentery, hepatitis A, typhoid fever, and etc. The person who is infected by diarrhea will lose water and electrolyte and may lead to malnutrition. According to the statistics, about 1.6 million children under the age of 5 die each year just from diarrhea. For guinea worm disease, the person drinks the water that contains water fleas infected with guinea worm larvae. The worm lives inside the body for around 1 year, and when they move through the body, it will cause terrible ulcers and damage. Dysentery is an infection of the intestine that causes diarrhea containing blood or mucus. Hepatitis A can spread either through direct contact with an infected person or by consuming contaminated water or food. It is an infection element that affects the liver.
The purification process. The 5 steps to purify water. The first one is screening, which is when water from lakes, rivers, or the ground pass through a screen filter out waste as it enters a treatment facility. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency (EPA), water often passes through multiple screens before proceeding through the rest of the filtration system at the water treatment plant. And the second one is coagulation and flocculation. During this phase of the drinking water treatment, plant workers add a positively charged chemical to the water. And the third is sedimentation. During the third stage, floc gets big and heavy enough that it sinks to the bottom of the water tank, according to CDC, which is Center of Disease Control and Prevention. This is an important step in the treatment of the water for a town supply because it helps further clear out any unwelcome debris. And the next step is filtration. Once the flood settles to the bottom of the tank, the water above it will pass through additional filter made of various materials like sand, gravel, and charcoal to remove smaller particles like dust and chemicals. Filtration is also crucial for water treatment and purification because it helps eliminate potential harmful pathogens like parasite, bacteria, and virus. And the last one is disinfect. After filtration is complete, disinfectant like chlorine are added to the water supply to kill any remaining microorganism or bacteria and keep the water clean until distribution. According to the CDC, which is, like I said before, Center of the Disease Control and Prevention.
The benefits of water purification is it can reduce waste. This is because water filters can help reduce the usage of plastic bottles by allowing people to bottle their own drinks instead of buying, as plastic waste has shown to be very harmful to us and also the environment. Next, it makes the digestive system healthy. This is because poor drinking water may lead to various gastrointestinal disorders. So, sanitized water can make us doubtlessly get some elevation. Next, water purification can produce more delicious and healthier food. This is because clean water helps to save the normal taste in food, while unfiltered, dirty water influences the food with pollutants and microbes. Lastly, water purification assists with forestalling various cancer-causing risks. Infected body water can cause various illnesses and increases the chance of forming cancerous cells. Polluted water can also lead to blood in stool and urine, which can indicate serious ailments prevailing in the body. So, filtered water provides minerals and clean and safe water to the human body.
Now we are going to see the purification of water process unit. The first one, thermal. Bringing water to its boiling point is about 100 degrees Celsius or 220 Fahrenheit at sea level. It's the oldest and most effective way to eliminate most microcaustic internal diseases, but it cannot remove chemical toxins or impurities. For human health, complete sterilization of water is not required. The second one is adsorption. Granular activated carbon is a form of activated carbon with a high surface area which absorbs many compounds including many toxic compounds. Water passing to the activated carbon is commonly used in the manufactured region with the organic contamination taste or odors. And the last one is the reverse osmosis. Involve mechanical pressure applied to a forced water through a semi-membrane membrane. Contaminants are left on the other side of the membrane. Reverse osmosis is theoretically the most thorough method of large-scale water purification available, although perfect semi-membrane membranes are difficult to create.
So that's all from us. Thank you.